Hey y'all YouTube, today we are solving question 234, palindrome linked list. Given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So my intuition on solving this problem is just iterate through all the linked list nodes, and then store the values in a stack, and then reverse stack and compare old stack and new stack. That would be a O of n runtime and a O of n spacetime. And we could solve this real quick. So we'll just do stack. So in this part, we are adding everything to the stack, and then we will return if stack equals like that. And that's all, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace out.